Yatte Erge. Hey, this is Qashqai music. Qashqai. I believe that's the correct way to pronounce it. I believe so. You know what I'm saying? If it's not, let me know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? This is Qashqai or Qashqai. Which one is it? The Q makes a what sound? Let me know in the comment section, okay? I actually starting to learn the Iranian, Persian, and Kurdish languages. You know what I'm saying? And let's look at this picture real quick. This old black and white picture. Dude right there definitely look like he's Turkish. The woman over there definitely is Kurd. Like she like an original Kurd. Or should I say Qashqai? Or should I say Iranian? And what I really meant to say related to the Kurds. The original looking Kurds. So anyway, let's check out this music.
Sanki yazdığın bu yürekten de bir yaz. Yaz tüldüğün gül seyrine bakanla bir nolça güldürdü yine ağzı.
Okay.
Yaz ki alem kirişti rufata kanla savşıydı güldü yine ağzı.
Definitely got that Turkish phonetic thing going. So, dude on the left is a Kurd, dude on the right is a what? American or something? Or they both was Kurds? The Shimmy Nigalardi. I know that's right. Maybe it's just him playing an instrument, maybe? Like classical style music?
Sanki yazdığım yürekten de bir yaz.
Bir yaz.
Ülkemizin toprağını güldürdüm. Ayrı düşüp.
And one thing I noticed when it comes to the Iranians and the Turks, when it comes to their looks, they do got like a rectangular shaped faces. Like especially people that's related to the Iranian people, basically. You could tell that they are definitely Iranian descent. I'm starting to notice one feature, especially on the brunette people, or should I say dark black hair people of Iran. Starting to notice a similar look with most of them. And sometimes they look like they Latin, which is weird for me. Like, most of them look Iranian, you know what I'm saying? But some...
Yaz ki yaşım tırgıyına ağzı. Yaz ki yaşım tırgıyına ağzı.
So this is old. This must be really old. I want to know how old this is. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wasn't those rams? I ain't see a ram. Damn, you know what? I almost forgot rams exist. Or existed. Because I don't know if they still do. Look at these Qashqai little girls. Okay. So next we'll be checking out Uraman music, you know what I'm saying, of West Iran or Iran. Tanyat Kurde. Beautiful music. I like this. Even if you wish me die, I will die for you. Wow. That's powerful. If you wish me to die. Okay. I like the instrument. The instrument, trying to think, has a little Latin vibe to it, you know what I'm saying? The like that, where I just kind of stopped it at, you know what I'm saying? That instrument that was just playing. I like that. I wonder if there's any relation to the Andalusian people, which are Latin Arabic people. You know what I'm saying? Now I know that Kurds are not Arabic, but you know what I'm saying? They live amongst Arabics. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I asked. It's only a question, yes or no, okay? But I like the song. I see the subtitles. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about you even when, because there's no presence of you, and I guess they talking about Kurdistan, Greater Kurdistan, the actual official country, meaning the independence, you know what I'm saying, the autonomy. I mean, they actually got autonomy in Iraq, but I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying, official country of Kurdistan. You know what I'm saying? So this is related to Kurdish music, Uraman music from west of Iran. So west of Iran, is that closer to Kurdistan, or is it further away? Y'all let me know in the comment section. I'm going to look it up on Google on the map. And Tangi, probably not pronouncing that correctly. What does that mean, and what does that represent? Okay. So far, most of the Kurdish community is definitely in Iran, from what I see. Now we got to react to some more Irani Kurdish music by Osman Rahman, you know what I'm saying, from Rahman, Iran. I think it's in Iran. I hope it's in Iran. I hope I didn't get that wrong. But anyway, let's check it out. You know, I like this type of music. I love this type of Kurdish music. Hey.